Code number DR1809. In this question, I will use this concept if roots are complex, if roots are non-real complex, then discriminant is less than 0. Also, I can say that if A is positive and discriminant D is negative, the sign of the expression, quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, will be always greater than 0. I mean for every x belonging to R. In the same way, A is negative and D is negative, then this quadratic expression is always negative. Ax square plus bx plus c less than 0 for every x belongs to R. Coming to this question, condition given is a plus c less than b. I write a minus b plus c is less than 0. Now I want to draw the graph of this equation, this expression y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. I don't know what is the sign of this. I know that this corresponding equation has non-real complex roots. Then I can say discriminant is less than 0. But in order to draw the graph, I must know what is the sign of this A. It is not given, then I will take two possibilities, either it is positive or it is negative. Coming to the first case, A is positive. If A is positive, then according to this formula, I have to draw the graph here. This is my x-axis. In order to draw the graph, I have to take care of this. This expression is always positive. If this expression is always positive, then I can say that this graph will not cut the x-axis. It will be something like this. Now I want to check here whether this condition is valid or not valid. I can say that if this is the situation, this expression is always positive, ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0. It is true for all values of x. X is 1, it is true. X is 2, it is true. X is minus 1, also it must be true. So x is equal to minus 1. If I put यहाँ पर a minus b plus c greater than 0 मिल रहा है. If it is this, that means this is contradicting the given fact. If it is contradiction, then I will say here it is, I reject this one. The graph will not be like this. The expression will not be like this. That means a will not be greater than 0. I go to the second case. If it is a is less than 0, then I say here it is. Already we know that d is less than 0. The expression will be always negative. If I draw the graph, it will be below x-axis. This is your x-axis, this is the graph. I can check the condition here. If it is a minus b plus c is less than 0, yes, it is true, because I know that ax square plus bx plus c is less than 0 for every x belongs to R. I am putting x is equal to minus 1. Then it is true. This is acceptable. Now, according to the options, I have to see the value of this 4a plus c less than 2b. I put here x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2. If I put minus 2, then it will become 4a minus 2b plus c less than 0. In this expression I have put minus 2. Now this minus, if I push to right side, यहाँ पर मिलेगा 4a plus c less than 2b. This is in the B option. That is the correct answer.